the dark like a cigarette glow. Joshua name in the fog on the window. City asleep but we're wide awake. Every move got my heartbeat break. You say stay close then you drift away. Got me caught in the games you play. Every breath got your voice in it. Feel like thunder, I'm lost in it. Joshua, you're my afterlight. Burning slow, but it feels so right. Pull me close, then you let me fall. We're just smoke when the silence calls. Joshua, in a fragile flame, I'm still calling out your name. Hold me once like you did back then, before we break and we bend again. See your face. Every crowd fills an empty space. Your shadow moves in the flashing lights, still runs through all my lonely nights. Said forever like we had time. Now it's fading like every line. But every time that the silence hits, Joshua lives in the emptiness. Joshua, you're my afterglow, only high that I ever know. Pull me close, then you disappear, like a ghost when the end is near. Joshua, in a fragile flame, I'm still calling out your name. Hold me once like you did back then, before we break and we bend again. Will you stay tonight, or just fade in the morning light? Every spark that we tried to save turns to smoke that we couldn't tame.